I am delighted and glad to be today with St. Francis Institute of Management and Research on a very important deliberation on importance and impact of AI on research and academia. In the embarkment of National Education Policy 2020, we all are aware that the main mandate feature of the National Education Policy 2020 is talking about student-centric, multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary academic programs, which is not only going to enhance their research skills, but also going to upskill and reskill their knowledge with respect to understanding different other domains of disciplines, which will enable them to get proper job opportunities, which is the major resolution of the entire NEP 2020 across the country. Today, in the advent of globalization, we are very much trying to understand research as a holistic program, which is going to bring different domain knowledge of Indian educational system into the consistent programming of bringing together artificial intelligence as one of the very important tool for transformation of knowledge into data science, computer science, machine learning, algorithms, which is going to make the jobs more easy, more comfortable, more energy saving, more time saving. And that is where the exact consistency of academia and corporate linkages can happen. Today, it's a must for every other youth to understand the entire transformation structure coming up in the academia, because of which the classroom pedagogy applications are changing. AI has become one of the very important tools to bring in a rightful education with a meaningful research, because of which lot of ease in terms with getting the data, preparation of different data sets for making the academia linkages much easier for progressing and growth of the economy is becoming a very important factor under the NEP 2020 program. The impact of AI is definitely going to be very profound as long as the Indian periphery across different states, central universities in the country is concerned, because we are attracting foreign universities here for getting more student exchange programs, getting more teacher engagement programs. This is where exactly we will bring in different domain knowledge of commerce, banking, finance, law, humanities, social sciences, and such other peculiar areas which will have a direct impact on the industrial setup, for the reason why AI today has become a bridge road or rather roadmap towards further Viksit Bharat 2047. Down the line in the 100 years time, we are going to look into India as a very, very important superpower country with a youth population having a huge dividend as long as the age, the education is concerned. So this is where exactly the transformation is going to meet, and we are envisaging an extremely heavy, loaded, knowledgeable economy, and the propensity of this knowledge economy will be in the hands of the youth of the country. This is the vision plan, and we all together have to work on this. Thank you very much.